We'll come back to these tie down hooks, and I sort of hinted at this a little bit earlier because we have these two options and I didn't really like either one of them, but if one orientation is good for the hook, one is good for the flange, and complexity is free, why not do both? And so for this example, the hook press fits into the flange. And so now with the flange, we have these bolt holes that are really strong, and we have this big opening for the hook. And then this actual flange itself is going to be much stiffer because it's printed in this orientation. And then the hook, of course, is going to be extremely strong because it's all printed interlayer here. And then we have this additional flat piece that will be kind of resisting the flange as the hook's being pulled. And so this technique adds a lot of strength just by itself, and it'll work with any FDM printer out there. But if you have a Markforged 3D printer, you can take things to a whole other level with this bonus tip, which is using carbon fiber reinforcement in each part. And that's because Markforged printers have a second nozzle that embeds continuous strands of carbon fiber into a part, and it irons that fiber into it. And so what you can see here is the X-ray view of our parts, where the blue is carbon fiber that's added inside of them. And these printers still have that Z layer weakness issue, but the fiber adds a ridiculous amount of strength within the layers. And so now these parts can be as strong as aluminum, and we just add the two of them together and we can take full advantage of the carbon fiber here.